Hello, welcome to Ansika S Academy. This is the series of Tamil Nadu Board History 12th class. In this video, we will cover chapter number 27, the First World War. Learning objectives. There are mainly four main topics that we will cover in this video. First, the concept of colonialism, imperialism, and their impact. The causes for the First World War, the course of the First World War, the end and results of the First World War. Colonialism is the extension of the nation's sovereignty over another territory beyond its border. Colonizers generally dominate the resources, labor, and markets of the colonial territory. They also impose socio-cultural, religious, and linguistic aspects on the conquered population. European colonialism began in the 15th century with the Age of Discovery. This was led by Portuguese and Spanish explorations of the Americas and the coast of Africa, the Middle East, India, and East Asia. By 17th century, England, France, and Holland successfully established their own overseas empires in direct competition with each other and those of Spain and Portugal. Spain and Portugal were awakened after the loss of their New World colonies, but Britain, France, and Holland turned their attention to the Old World. Particularly South Africa and Southeast Asia, where colonies were established. The industrialization of 19th century led to what has been termed the era of new imperialism. The fight among the European countries to control and establish new colonies led to the First World War. There are different types of colonies. Settler colonies, such as the original 13 states of the United States of America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Argentina, arose from the immigration of peoples from a mother country. This led to the displacement of the indigenous peoples. Colonies of dependencies came into existence due to the conquest by foreign countries. Examples in the category include the British India, Dutch Indonesia, French India, China, and the Japanese colonial empire. Plantation colonies such as Barbados, Saint Dominguez, and Jamaica, where the white colonizers imported black slaves who rapidly began to outnumber their owners, led to minority rule similar to the dependency. Imperialism is a policy of extending control of authority over colonized countries. The term is used to describe the policy of a nation's dominance over distant lands. The age of imperialism usually refers to the old imperialism period starting from 1860, when major European states started colonizing the other continents. The term imperialism was initially coined in the mid-1500s to reflect the policies of countries such as Britain and France, who expanded into Africa and Americas. Imperialism refers to the highest stage of capitalism, which made it necessary to find new markets and resources. This theory of necessary expansion of capitalism outside the boundaries of nation state was shared by Lenin and Rosa Luxemburg. Economic market. Industrial revolution created the need among the European countries to find new markets for their industrial goods. Similarly, they had to find raw materials for their industries. This dual need pushed the European countries to compete with each other to establish their political control over Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Improvement in communications. Advancement in science and technology led to improvement in transport and communications. Steamships, railroads, roadways were improved. This helped imperialism to have a firm hold over the conquered territories. Rise of extreme nationalism. The late 19th century was a period of intense nationalism. Many nations developed myths of superiority over the other peoples. Each country wanted to have colonies to aid it to its prestige and power. Writers and speakers in England, France, and Germany opened institutions to promote the idea of imperialism. European countries took great pride in calling their territories as empires. The civilizing mission. In the minds of many Europeans, imperialist expansion was very noble. They considered it a way of bringing civilization to the backward peoples of the world. Explorers and adventurers, as well as missionaries, helped in expanding imperialism. U.S. imperialism. The United States has enjoyed its status as a sole superpower beginning at the end of World War II. The U.S. largely took over from the United Kingdom certain roles of influence in the Middle East. Several Middle Eastern nations such as Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Lebanon, and Israel have all been directly or otherwise substantially influenced by US policy. First World War 1914 से 1919 causes system of alliances causes हो गए mainly one system of alliances. There were many causes for the World War. First, the most important cause was the system of secret alliances. Before 1914, Europe was divided into two camps. It was Germany which created the division in European politics before World War. First, in order to isolate France, Germany entered into alliance with Austria. Bismarck formed the Three Emperors League by making alliance with Russia. Later, Germany did not care for Russia, hence Russia left, but Germany continued its alliance with Austria alone. This was known as Dahl Alliance. After Italy joined in this alliance, it became a triple alliance. In the meantime, Russia began to lean towards France. In 1894, there came Franco-Russian alliance against Austro-German alliance. It was at this time England followed a policy of splendid isolation. She also felt that she was all alone. First, she wanted to join with Germany. When this became a failure, she entered into an alliance with Japan in 1902. In 1904, she made alliance with France. In 1907, Russia joined this alliance. This had resulted in triple entente. Thus, Europe was divided into two camps. The secret nature of these alliances brought about the War of 1914. Militarism. The countries in Europe had been increased their armies and navies. This was the main reasons for universal fear, hatred, and suspicion among the countries of Europe. In Europe, England and Germany were superior in navy. There were competitions between these two countries in naval armaments. For every ship built by Germany, two ships were built by England. Narrow nationalism was also a cause for the war. The love of the country demanded the hatred of another. For instance, love of Germany demanded the hatred of France. Likewise, the French people hated the German people in Eastern Europe. Narrow nationalism played a greater role. The Serbian hated Austria-Hungary. The desire for people of France to get back Elise Lawrence was also a cause for the outbreak of First World War. Second, it was Bismarck who had taken away Alsace-Lorraine from France and annexed them with Germany in 1870. The result was that there grew animosities between these two countries. It was this reason that forced Germany to take steps to isolate France by making alliances with other countries. William II, the Emperor of Germany himself, was a cause for the First World War. He wanted to make Germany a stronger power. He was not prepared to make any compromise in international affairs. He was mistaken in assessing Great Britain's strength. It was a misunderstanding of the British Charter by William II that was responsible for the war. Prussian spirit by Germany was also a cause for war. The Prussian were taught that war was illegal in the world. War was the national industry of Prussia. The younger generation of Germany was indoctrinated with such a philosophy of war. Public opinion. The position of public opinion by the newspapers was also a cause. Often the newspapers tried to inflame nationalist feeling by misrepresenting the situations in other countries. Ambassadors and cabinet ministers admitted the senseless attitude of the leading newspapers in their own countries. The desire of Italy to recover the Trentino and the area around the port of Trieste was also a cause for war. The Italians considered that these areas were inhabited by Italians, but they were still part and parcel of Austria-Hungary. They cried for the redemption of these territories. Italy also entered into a competition with Austria to control the Adriatic Sea, as Austria was not prepared to put up with the competition. These aroused bitterness in the relations of these two countries. The Eastern question was also a factor for the war. This complicated the situation in the Balkans. The misrule of Turkey resulted in the discontentment. There was a rivalry between Greece, Serbia, and Bulgaria for the control of Macedonia, which had a mixed population. On the occasion of Bosnia crisis, Russia supported Serbia pan-Slavism also created complications. The questions Herzegovina in the Balkans were also similar to the problem of Alsace-Lorraine. Bosnia and Herzegovina were given to Austria-Hungary by the Congress of Berlin in 1878. This was strongly opposed by Serbia. A strong agitation was started in Serbia to separate these provinces from Austria-Hungary and united them with Serbia. This created rivalry between Serbia and Austria-Hungary. This became very keen after 1909. Serbia also received moral support from her big brother Russia. The Serbs and Russians belonged to slave race. Immediate cause. The immediate cause was the assassination of Archduke Francis Ferdinand, who was heir to the Australian throne. Archduke Francis Ferdinand and his wife were assassinated by Serbians in the Bosnian capital Sarajevo when they paid a visit to the city on 28 June 1914. The news of this murderer shocked many countries. Austria-Hungary was already sick of Serbia, and she decided to take advantage of the new situation to crush her. The murder of their crown prince and his wife resulted in an ultimatum being sent to Serbia for immediate compliance of certain terms. Serbia's reply did not pacify Austria-Hungary, hence Austria-Hungary, backed by Germany, declared war on Serbia. Russia mobilized her forces in favor of Serbia causes of the war. During the war, Germany and her allies were called Central Powers. England and her allies were called Allied Powers. Germany entered the war to defend Austria. Shortly, all the powers in their hostile camps were automatically drawn into the war. Turkey and Bulgaria joined the war on the side of Germany. Italy left the Triple Alliance and joined the opposite camp with the idea of recovering Italian territories under Austrian control. England joined the war against Germany. There was bitter fighting on the French soil. The Battle of Verdun decided the fortunes of the war in favor of the Allies. Germany started submarine warfare in a large scale. All the laws relating to naval warfare were thrown out. Russia fought on the side of Allies up to 1917. The Bolshevik regime wanted peace with Germany. Thus, the Brest-Litovsk Treaty was signed between Russia and Germany. The Lusitania ship was drowned by a German submarine, and consequently many Americans lost their lives. This resulted in the declaration of war against Germany by the USA. In spite of best efforts, Germany could not stand, and ultimately she surrendered in November 1919. The German Emperor Kaiser William lost all hopes of winning the war. He abdicated his throne and fled to Holland. The German army signed the Armistice Agreement on November 11, 1918 to mark their surrender to the Allies. The Allies of Germany had earlier suffered defeat at the hands of the Allied powers. Results of the war. The Great War took a heavy toll of lives. It is estimated that about 10 million lives were lost and 20 million people have been wounded. People all over the world suffered untold miseries. There was a large-scale damage to civil property. It is estimated that the direct cost of the war reached just over $200 billion and the indirect cost more than $150 billion. A large variety of deadly weapons such as incendiary bombs, grenades, and poison gases were used. Tanks, submarines, and aircrafts were also used. The war wrought its havoc on the economics of the participating countries. It may be remembered that about 25 nations had joined the Allies at the time of the outbreak of war. The victories felt the devastating effects of the war even before the secession. All these nations were burdened with the national debts. The world economy was in scrambles. Germany was forced to sign the Treaty of Versailles on 28 June 1919. It was dedicated peace, and Germany had by then became even too weak to protest. She lost everything. Germany and her allies suffered most since they had to pay heavy sums to the victorious allies as reparation debts. Austria-Hungary signed the Treaty of St. Germany. Hungary signed the Treaty of Trianon. With the Allies in 1920, Bulgaria had accepted the Treaty of Neuilly. In 1919, Turkey, which sided with Germany during the war, signed the Treaty of Sevres in 1920. Learning outcomes of this chapter are mainly 5. The rise of colonialism and its impact, the imperialism and its impact on the world politics, the system of alliances and other causes for the First World War, the role of USA in the First World War and the victory of the Allied powers in the war. The treaties concluded at the end of the First World War and the results of the war. Thanks for watching.